Okay, so after you've added the standards, you're going to go to grade calc options. In grade calc options, we need to set up every quarter, and it's going to be tedious, and it's going to take us a bunch of hours. But hopefully it's worth it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to fill options. Okay, you'll have to select as well. Yeah. So choose standards. We'll fill the standards first. We're gonna say we want an in progress, or we want a proficiency estimate rubrics for standards. The method is going to be mean and cumulative starting in quarter one. Right.
And that's despite what quarter you're in, it will always be cumulative starting in quarter one.
And that'll fill all of those. So that's gonna get us decently far. Right. We also need to go to fill options. So I guess you have to go back twice. And now we're going to say grading tasks. And what do we decide on that? We don't want to, maybe.
We're going to do no calculation.
No calculation.
Right?
Never mind. So you don't need to go there. Grading tasks are going to stay as they are. Okay. So at filter type, I'm going to go back to standards. We probably don't need to do what I just mentioned there. So on this spreadsheet, we can see that creating art is actually composed of these four. Creating art is actually they're not going to enter grades for that, which we forgot
right.
to do. So these four are considered, creating art's a roll up of those four. So we're going to have to go and say that. So we're going to say creating art's a roll up, and we're going to have an average. And now we need to say all four that belong to creating art. Right? And it's pretty easy because they put it, it'd be nice if Infinite Campus would kind of figure this out because it's under that category. All right. So creating art, we set up quarter one of that one standard. We're going to have to do 12 of these. All right. So I'm going to go down and see the next one, which the next standard is artistic problem solving. So I go down to artistic problem solving. I say it's a roll-up. That's a checkbox for roll-up. I say average. And then I say the three that are part of that. Jamie and I did this for days for Deering, so we're just experts at it. I think reflecting and connecting is the next one. Reflecting and connecting, and that's another 3 standards. I keep going to the wrong tab. So average. Boom. And the scary news is if you think of ELA having
39 or 37.
29 or something. Yeah, it's not going to be fun.
And if you stop in the middle, you can always hit save.
Yeah, if you get like tired
or something. Yeah.
And then so I did it for quarter one. We have to do it for quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4.
And then push to all sections.
And then when everything's done, let me just finish this.
Yeah.
Should I? Creating art, quarter 2. And again, average. Okay, now I go to artistic problem solving.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Used to be able to go into the class and say, copy the standards from this. You can't do that anymore?
We did that for, that would be if you had multiple courses with the same standards and same setup.
But not within that same, even though they're different quarters.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
I know, this copy would copy
Right, yeah.
everything. Yeah, that would be awesome. As
But
far as I
next
know,
year
this
it'll
is the
be
best.
easier because you can roll over.
Yeah, hopefully they'll stay enough the same.
You have to do the same thing.
Oh,
Except for-
yes.
If you do it for too long, you'll get an eye twitch. Start reading.
And you do get faster at it. We did
Yeah.
this, and
It's just repetitious.
it's just, yeah, and it's easy to make a mistake.
Yep.
Totally.
Yeah.
So the teachers have to grade on every one of these
Yep.
standards?
They have every learning target. And I realize we made a small mistake, or we have to change something when we set up the standards. Artistic problem solving. I'm getting there.
Brain calc.
Thank you.
What quote are you on? I can do the next one.
And no, I'm almost there. I'm quarter 4 now. All right. Right, I have that. Quarter 3, artistic problem solving. Next one, reflecting. All right. And it's kind of nice they gray them out
Yeah.
because you've used them already.
Otherwise, yeah.
It would really be awful to have to look at that every time.
Yeah. And we did say to Sue Ellen and Ben that it seems like there's too many learning targets. Teachers are going to go a little crazy with
Well,
this
that's
many.
just it.
Right, well, and any person from an outside perspective says, wow, that's.
But-
So on their report card, what is it gonna show?
Good question. It's only going to show the standard, not the learning target.
All right.
And only the ones the teacher has grades for. So if there's one they haven't gotten to.
Yeah. Do artistic problem solving. Getting there. This is gonna be an exciting video to watch. We hope this is gonna help you guys here. I know. At least it's obviously more work for us, but if the teachers have this all set up, hopefully that'll be useful. All right, so I saved it. I think that's it. So our grading tasks, which are just the howls, there's no calculation, and our standards are all set up. They all look good. The thing that I forgot to say in standards. These standards, creating art, it's a post only. We don't want teachers can't add assessments to a standard. They can only add it to a learning target or multiple learning targets. So when after you add those, you have to go back and say, it's post only. This is post only.
6.
All right, I think that's it, right?
Mm-hmm.